the dynamic or will lose. Right.
You're not going to answer my questions? Okay. Okay, Mr. Anderson, what's a good phone number for you?
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. This is a short video of an older incident submitted by Leo Anderson. Be sure to check out his channel and let him know I sent you. This interaction occurred in 2016, but it serves as yet another reminder to get a dash cam and record your driving and every interaction with law enforcement. Leo was traveling northbound in Wise County, Texas, and exited in Alvord on State Street. At the end of the off-ramp, there is a stop sign, and it is clearly observable that Leo makes a full and complete stop. It is common to hear that a vehicle's forward momentum should cease for a total of 3 seconds. However, in the Texas Transportation Code, section 544.010, there is no time designated to how long you are supposed to stop at a stop sign. You are only required to come to a complete stop. Using my editing software, I've determined that Leo's vehicle stopped for approximately 2 seconds prior to initiating his left turn. After making his turn, Leo spots a police cruiser parked on the side of the road, which is made apparent by Leo's singing. Within seconds of passing the cruiser, Leo is pulled over by Deputy Yarrow of the Wise County Sheriff's Office.
Put on some new ads, they've got Tennessee coming up. What are their options to go to the boss and say, boss, we're behind, we need to change the dynamic or we'll lose?
Right, they're in October now, and the good news is the earned media attention has never been hotter. The bad news is they're in October and the clock is ticking, and it's bad. So what they've got to do is, the ads are interesting, the polling's interesting, but they got to get Trump to start running a campaign that brings new voters in.
Did you see your driver's license insurance, sir? Don't worry, you're on camera and recorder too. Is there a reason that you failed to stop at the stop sign back there? You're not going to answer my questions? Okay. Be right back with you.
There is an important reason Leo didn't answer the officer's questions. Number 1, he isn't required to. Number 2, law enforcement officers are not your friends, and they will do and say anything to help prosecute you. Number 3, the only reason this officer asked that question was to elicit an accidental confession. The deputy leaves to write Leo a ticket and returns about 9 minutes later.
Okay, Mr. Anderson, what's a good phone number for you? What's a good phone number for you? I need a phone number for the citation or you're not going to leave. So would you like me to issue the citation or would you like to go ahead and go to jail with me because you're failing to go ahead and cooperate with me on the citation?
I don't have a phone.
I see one right there. That's funny. So now you're a liar too? 817-300-5733. Okay, here's your driver's license insurance back. You need to sign for me at the top up here. It's going to be a citation for running the stop sign back there. And I went ahead and was a nice guy and gave you a warning for the speed. Speed limit's 35 miles an hour through here. There's a copy for your record. Have a nice day, Mr. Anderson.
Coink, 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 coink.
The speed limit is actually 30 miles per hour in the area Leo had just driven. Unfortunately, Leo got caught in a gotcha moment, using his phone to record the encounter out at him. Of course, being in the possession of a phone doesn't mean you have a phone number, and failing to provide a phone number is not an arrestable offense. Regardless, Leo obviously stopped at the stop sign and still received a citation for it. Protesting it on scene could have trumped up more charges. Leo fought the ticket in court, but the process took over a year and cost him several $100s in attorney's fees before it was dismissed. Stop sign citations add 2 demerit points to a motorist's driving record for 3 years, and a fine of up to $200 can be imposed. It can also increase your insurance premium. It is possible that the ticket was issued without malicious intent and was an accidental oversight of the deputy, but it is still infuriating that even after proving his innocence, Leo was the only one to suffer. None of his time or money will be restored, and these incidents happen daily. A big thanks to Leo for submitting this video. Please be sure to head over to his channel and let him know I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.